Meet teletype, the world's first emotional messenger for work with a physical body. How does it work? The agency's manager enters the back-end site, chooses the purpose and special design, creates afterwards a cute business message to the client. A few seconds later, the print will appear from the teletype on the client's work table. Teletype is open to anyone. Just enter the front-end site teletype.online and take a look at the insights, or learn how to design your own wonderful one. Go on, type your passion with teletype.